Hey there, it's Danny and Kat back with another episode of Pits to Peaks where we do neither. No pits, no peaks. We're doing the canyon. Right up there is the canyon we're gonna do. It's the lower refrigerator. I think the longest rappel is 190 feet. It's a 3A. And it's currently raining, so it might be a 3B when we get up there. We're gonna dump down in here from the last rappel. It looks like the trail leading out is just right there. So there's the bridge right there. We come down, and I think we were very quickly met with some scrambles to get down through this canyon. Hey, where you going? Oh, I might be okay. So we just did a little down scramble there, making our way around this, being careful not to fall in there. There we go. And it looks like, what are we approaching here, Kat?
More down one?
It's gonna be really awkward getting started on the rappel. Off rappel! Well, I need you on this side so I can point. Yeah, you're good to go. There we go. Whoop. Be careful. So 140 feet. We got a 200-foot rope, so just be mindful. They said it's like a 2 to 3 person ledge down there. So a little snug. There's a knot in the end. I've been putting knots in the end since there's no water in this canyon. I'm not worried about getting trapped on the rope. No, I threw it in the bushes, didn't I? No, I'm sorry. I feel like Catherine might be at the anchors down there, so she's got one more rappel to do. I got...
Danny, I'm off rappel.
Thank you. She's got one more rappel to do. I got 2 more rappels to do. Even though it's drizzling now and it rained last night, it is still very dry here, which is nice. And we're gonna pay attention to where our rope's gonna pull when we pull it, so we don't want it to get stuck. So if I can get the rope over here and the rope over here, it might help flip it out. Woo woo! This isn't too bad of a ledge.
No.
I mean, at a large party, it'd be a little crowded. So I try to put the rope around the lip, so hopefully the rope will flip out when it goes through. Rope! Here we go. I'll see you down there, Catherine. Let's get this paracord out of the bush. What's it doing in the bush? There we go. So this is a 190-foot rappel. And we need extra friction now. I'm using extra friction on this one. Wow. Woo! That is a long, long way. Holy shit, that's a long way. Yeah! Oh, it's slick down here. There we go. Oh, that was a mess. What a massive mess. Hey, Cat, I am off rope.
Okay.
So, right here we got Cat coming down on the 190-foot rappel, which is just wild. Let's zoom in on her a little bit. It is a massive rappel. Using all the bars? Yep. Yeah, I was using them by then. And then just over here, we got the hike up Angel's Landing. And the rest is Zion. Woo woo! And then once she's down, we get to scramble out of here through this valley, and then it looks like the hiker's trail's just up there. So I guess the trick for today is staying dry, because it is a little bit of water down here.
When it comes down, so make sure
Yeah. Rope! Right there. I love when it lays in the water up there.
Yeah.
It's my favorite. Let's do a dry canyon and all our shit it just goes to the water.
That is the lowest point.
Huh?
I said that is the lowest point.
Alright. So we rappelled here. And we're kind of guessing, but this seems to be the way down. You're supposed to follow the creek for a little bit until you can eventually hit the trail right there. This is a pretty chill one.
Yeah.
Alright. So we've been going for about 10 minutes along the stream. A little bit of scrambling here and there, navigating around the water. And woo, be careful. So it looks like there's the grass that we follow back up to the Angel Landing Trail. So that'll be nice. Get back on the trail. About 10 minutes from the rappel. take the grass slightly uphill, and it looks like we're nearing the trail. You can hear people. So that's a really easy canyon to do. Nice paved trail all the way to the top. A couple easy rappels. You could do some down climbing if you want. If not, there's some fixed or some old tat you could rappel off of. Really straightforward. Really easy to do. Just make sure you got a long enough rope.